tujifunze kujiuliza maswali magumu kabisa. Maswali nimeuliza Mungu anipe. Asiponipa kutaendaje? Does it still remain to be God? The 3 Hebrew boys say, I know our God will save us. But even if he does not, we will still worship him. Why? Because they know there is a bigger and better life beyond this world. That is what Job was. Can we experience wholeness in brokenness? Particularly when you are going through spousal loss. At a very tender age. Can you still be whole and complete? What defines your wholeness? Up here, up here is some hierarchy in Job's life. There is his wealth, and then there is his children, okay? And then we have his status because he was a wealthy man. And then down here we have his health. And I love it when the devil went back for a discussion with the devil that no, I think you've not touched his skin, and was permitted to cause an infirmity on Job. But even in his infirmity, akiwa mgonjwa, a second time that the devil is attacking, in his infirmity, still Job praises the Lord.